Ucerete ndia-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini, gikeno ni ukorwo ukiona muruthi, munyi, ngari, njogu na mbogo iria ciuikaine ta Big Five, no kuona nyamu ingi no undu wa kwirahira. Umuthi tukamurika muruthi, uria namba yaguo ithiete na mbere kunyiha ni kuragwo ni andu aria maikaraga hakuhi na ndie, guthukangio gwa cikaro ciaguo undu umwe na uhiti.
The status at the moment we have from the previous strategy, there were around 2,000 lions in Kenya, and around 20, between 20 and 30,000 lions in Africa.
Tugekinya itura-ini ria Ripoi Masai Mara na uthaka wa riũa rigithũa wa kwirahira, na guku tugacemania na Peter Olesina, uria ni murĩithia wa ng'ombe akiuma kurĩithia na kurehe ng'ombe ici ikamuo.
Kulikuwa na high human wildlife conflict. For example, mimi mwenyewe last year part 1 niliweza kupoteza zaidi ya ng'ombe 10 na kondoo na mbuzi ilikuwa mingi pia.
Peter ni umwe wa arĩithia a mahiũ aria mathiĩte hathara nene ni tharĩkĩra cia mĩrũthi mwena uyu, no we nĩyũkĩtie ũtũmĩri wa technology kũingata mĩrũthi na nyamu ingĩ cia githaka kiugo-inĩ na mũciĩ-inĩ gwake.
Lakini wakati tulipewa hizi deterrence light ikaanza kureduce sasa. Human wildlife conflict imereduce. Sasa hii hatuwezi, hiyo shida imereduce kidogo kwa sababu lion hawezi pita, leopard at the same time na hyenas. Sasa hatuna hiyo shida.
Atumiraga matawa maya kugirĩrĩria mĩrũthi na agatũtarĩria uria marutaga wĩra.
Zikipiga hizo lights, hizi predators ikiona inadhani ni mtu ndiye inamulika, so wanadhani watu wako on throughout the night, so and during the rainy seasons predation inakuwa high pande hii sana. Lakini WWF partnering with Marasiana Conservancy have managed to give more than 36 households in this area. Yeah. Lakini wale hawana bado ni changamoto kwao.
Kilomita nini kuma gwa Peter, tugacemania na mutaaramu wa mĩrũthi, kuria oigite mĩrũthi ĩũgwati-inĩ wa kuhuka.
There's been a decline of lion population in the last 30 years. So we've had 80% of lion decline in the last 30 years, according to IUCN. From the 80% lion decline in the last 30 years, there's a worry, because if you take that decline, the 80% of lion population decline, to extrapolate it or to bring the next 30 years, it will mean that we'll not have any lions.
Kasaine akoretwo agithuthuria mĩrũthi rũriĩ-inĩ rwa Masai Mara kuma mwaka wa 2013.
So far from the last survey we have around 420 lions in the Mara, which translate to a density of around 17 lions per 100 square kilometer, which is a good density or high density compared to this area. So we monitor lions both in the Masai Mara Game Reserve, which includes the Mara Triangle, covering an area of 1,300 square kilometers.
Thĩna ũngĩ ũgũmĩire mĩrũthi mwena ũyũ nĩ kũragwo na thumu na ateteri a marĩa matũrigicĩirie matirakua ngoro nginyagia namba ya mĩrũthi yongerereke.
We came to realize that this substance called mashal 350 ST is the one that currently being used to poison wildlife. An animal, if is being poisoned, the one thing that does is goes to water to get where to drink. And this is where people fetch water, this is where people get water from. And so this poison get to go back to the local people within here and maybe cause more harm to their health.
The importance of national pride, coat of arms in Kenya have the lion as its emblem and logo.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Njeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.